Don't keep a look I want, babe, ne?
What, baby? All right. My love.
Sand, quiet, ne?
Hey, well, let's stay some. Let's stay, Lisa. Usithole kuphi lo mfana wena?
Usangibiza ngomfana ngikushova kanje. Can't call me that. Ungangibizi ngomfana. The things I do, not even an average man from Nelspruit can do the things I do.
Ngiyadlalisa now, how, babe.
Why is it done on my Dot, I'm gonna get paid.
Soqalile.
I need 5,000 rand, eh?
Huh?
I need 5,000 rand, eh?
Huh?
I said 5,000.
Victor, imali engaka ngiloyithola kuphi sithando sami? Angithi ubonile sithando sami ukuthi ngicela ukuthenga imoto lenyuwane nyalo. Anginayo le mali leyo.
I really need money.
But babe, uyati ngibhadala ama-services la. I'm responsible for everything yethu, so too, babe.
So you're trying to remind me ukuthi angisebenzi la endlini.
No, baby, angisho njalo Victor. But anginayo i-cash lengako esikhwameni sami.
Yeah, obviously you can't have it like in, but you've got it at the bank, haven't you?
Baby, ngingakunika 300 rand.
Ah.
Wait, Victor, wait, my love, come here. Okay, I'm going to get 3,000 rand.
3,000. It's okay.
3,000, babe. Okay, can I get my kiss, Ganyar?
Okay.